Today I am going to show you how I make 2 cups of hot latte using my 2-cup bricka whilst away from my fully equipped coffee corner at home. And this was me making the drinks in my pajamas. Very authentic, just woke up and need good coffee. Unfortunately for me, the only stove available for my regular bricka was an induction stove. So I had to take it outside and use the hot plate on the barbecue grill instead. Will it work? Let's find out. First, boil some water. For the milk, I only have access to canned pasteurized Bear brand milk. Easy enough to pack and does not require refrigeration. Pour them in the stainless steel milk frother and place it on the hot plate to warm. And now for my Moka pot coffee. Full basket of medium roast, medium grind coffee. Hot water slightly below the pressure valve. Lock the pot on and onto the hot plate on the barbecue grill alongside my milk pitcher. As you can see, the heat from the hot plate was perfect to brew my coffee and warm my milk at the same time. Froth the warm milk. Split the brewed coffee and milk into 2 cups. And you get 2 perfectly looking hot lattes within 5 minutes. Exactly how I want them in the morning. Quick, easy, and absolutely the best way to start the day.